JECA DECOR is a manufacturer specializing in the production of metal profile systems. We designed and produced thoughtful metal profile systems based on a customized production model, which allows us to flexibly produce products that meet our customers' current and future needs. Our customers are all over the world.
JECA DECOR focus on the design and production of various metal profiles. Our products meet the list of various space decoration styles from the perspective of functionality and practicality, and are deeply recognized by customers.
About your idea about our product, can I know?
Okay, they have good quality in this factory and good price and good what means. I hope to work with us.
Welcome to our factory.
Okay, so, thank you.
How do you think our product?
Your product is very nice. Okay, tomorrow I come to Canton Fair. I see all the factory. Sure, you it's very top product and the price is very good. I like work with you to next time, inshallah. Okay?
Okay.
It's very nice. Nice to meet you.
We hope to meet with customers from all over the world at the Canton Fair and showcase our products and professional service. We look forward to meeting you at our booth or factory.